voices in the hall, laughing over coffee in the kitchen. Even the quiet moments mean it all. And when the world outside gets heavy and I feel like I'm walking alone, one step through the doorway reminds me I've already found where I belong. 'Cause my family, my home, you're the place my heart goes. Through the highs, through the lows, you're the story I chose. No matter where I roam, I'm never on my own. With you I'm home, my family, my home. We've had our storms and our shadows, but somehow we always find the light. Holding on to every little moment, turning ordinary days into our life. And when the nights feel long and endless, you pull me back with just one smile. I'd walk 1,000 roads to see this, the place that makes it all worthwhile. 'Cause my family, my home, you're the place my heart goes. Through the highs, through the lows, you're the story I chose. No matter where I roam, I'm never on my own. With you I'm home, my family, my home. Maybe it's not the walls around us, but the love that fills the air. Every moment, every memory says I'm safe when you're right there. My family, my home, you're the place my heart goes. From the start you've been my soul, the only truth I know. Wherever life